Have you ever walked into someone's home and immediately felt a sense of warmth, comfort, and effortless cleanliness? Some people just have a way of keeping their homes organized, fresh, and inviting without appearing to spend hours scrubbing and tidying every day. But the truth is, seniors who maintain consistently clean homes don't rely on major deep cleaning sprees. Instead, they follow simple daily habits that help them keep their spaces effortlessly maintained. In this video, we're going to explore the key habits that seniors with spotless homes practice every day. These routines aren't complicated or exhausting. In fact, they consist of small, intentional actions that have a significant impact over time. The best part? Once you integrate these habits into your daily life, maintaining a clean and welcoming home will start to feel almost effortless. Stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing one simple habit that can instantly change how tidy and peaceful your home feels, without requiring extra effort. And trust me, it's something most people completely overlook. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. If you enjoy this content, type 1 in the comments, and if you don't, type 0 to let me know how I can improve these videos for you. One simple yet powerful habit seniors with spotless homes follow is never leaving a room empty-handed. Keeping a home tidy doesn't always require deep scrubbing or heavy lifting. Instead, it's about making small efforts throughout the day. Picture this. You're sitting in the living room, enjoying a cup of tea while flipping through a magazine. Once you're done, instead of leaving the cup on the coffee table or the magazine on the couch, you take them with you as you leave the room. If you're heading toward the kitchen, you bring the cup to the sink. If you're walking toward the bedroom, you return the magazine to its rightful place. This habit sounds simple, because it is. But by making this a daily practice, clutter never gets a chance to build up. Everything stays in motion, naturally returning to its proper place. Take someone like Alice, a 72-year-old whose home is always impeccably tidy. If you ask her how she keeps things so neat, she'll smile and say, "Oh, I just put things away as I go." And that's the key. She doesn't wait until the end of the day to deal with scattered items. Instead, she addresses little messes as they happen. This habit is especially beneficial for seniors because it prevents overwhelming cleaning sessions. Instead of dedicating hours to tidying up, a few seconds here and there keep the home effortlessly clean. Plus, it fosters a sense of ease and control over the space, making cleanliness feel like a natural part of everyday life, rather than a constant battle. Another crucial habit is following the 2-minute rule. Seniors with consistently clean homes understand that small tasks, when done immediately, prevent larger messes later on. The 2-minute rule is simple. If a task takes 2 minutes or less, they do it right away. Imagine coming home and tossing your coat over a chair instead of hanging it up. It doesn't seem like a big deal at first, but then your shoes get left by the door, unopened mail sits on the counter, and dishes pile up in the sink. Before you know it, clutter accumulates, and tidying up becomes a daunting chore. What sets people with perpetually clean homes apart is their commitment to addressing these small tasks the moment they arise. Hanging up a coat takes seconds, discarding junk mail barely a minute, and wiping down the sink after brushing your teeth is a quick job. These small moments of action prevent messes from piling up, keeping the home in a constant state of order without requiring dedicated hours of cleaning. Consider Frank, a 75-year-old who never seems to have clutter lying around. When asked how he keeps his home so effortlessly tidy, he simply shrugs and says, "I just don't let things sit." If a dish needs washing, he rinses it right away. If he sees dust on a surface, he wipes it immediately. Because of this habit, he never has to block out time for deep cleaning. It just happens naturally. The beauty of the 2-minute rule is that it transforms the way we manage our living spaces, making cleanliness a continuous, easy process instead of an overwhelming task. These small yet powerful habits create a home environment that feels peaceful and well-maintained. The secret isn't about spending hours on housework, but rather making small, consistent efforts throughout the day. By never leaving a room empty-handed and following the 2-minute rule, seniors with spotless homes avoid the stress of clutter buildup and maintain their spaces with minimal effort. If you're looking to create a home that always feels inviting and effortlessly clean, try incorporating these habits into your daily routine. You might be surprised at how quickly they make a difference. And as promised, here's one final habit that can instantly transform your home. Making the bed every morning. It may seem like a small, insignificant task, but it sets the tone for the rest of the day. A neatly made bed gives an immediate sense of order and encourages tidiness in other areas of the home. It's a simple action with a powerful effect on the overall feel of your living space. Clearing unfinished tasks from your mental space can be incredibly freeing. Rather than allowing small messes to linger in the back of your mind, they are taken care of right away. This approach doesn't just keep a home tidy, it fosters a sense of control, tranquility, and organization. If this is something you already do or plan to implement, let me know in the comments below. Your engagement encourages me to keep creating content that adds value to your life. People who maintain effortlessly clean homes ensure they never wake up to chaos. Instead, they adopt a simple habit that significantly impacts the overall feel of their home. A quick nightly reset. Picture how much smoother your mornings are when you wake up to a spotless kitchen, a clutter-free living area, and a peaceful atmosphere to begin your day. Now compare that to waking up to dirty dishes, scattered papers, and yesterday's mess still waiting for you. One scenario fills you with calmness and energy, while the other can be draining before the day has even started. Those who keep their homes consistently tidy dedicate a few minutes each night to resetting their space. This isn't about deep cleaning, but rather small, mindful actions that set the tone for a better tomorrow. They may wipe down countertops, adjust couch cushions, put away misplaced items, or ensure the sink is clear. These quick tasks take only a few minutes, but make a substantial difference in how the home feels the next morning. Consider Linda, a 68-year-old who swears by this nightly practice. Before bed, she takes a short walk through her home, tidying as she goes. She fluffs the pillows, ensures her kitchen is in order, and gives her living space a final once-over. By morning, her surroundings are already in place, providing her with a sense of ease and control at the start of her day. The goal isn't perfection, but preparation. A small effort at night that becomes a daily gift to oneself. Those who effortlessly maintain clean homes understand that perfection in every corner isn't necessary, but keeping high-use areas clutter-free is key. Instead of worrying about every inch of their house, they prioritize keeping essential spaces clear and inviting. This makes the entire home feel more organized without requiring hours of cleaning. Think about what you first notice when you enter a home. It's usually the kitchen counters, the living room, or the entryway, not the inside of a closet or an unused bedroom. These main areas set the tone for the rest of the house. When they are tidy, the whole home feels in order, even if there are a few messes elsewhere. That's why people who maintain neat homes focus their efforts on these key spaces, ensuring they always look good. For example, Barbara, a 74-year-old, always receives compliments on how neat her home is. She chuckles when people ask how she keeps everything pristine because, in reality, she doesn't. She simply ensures that the spaces she uses the most remain under control. Every morning, she makes sure her kitchen counters are wiped down, her living room is clutter-free, and the entryway is tidy. She doesn't stress about deep cleaning every single room. Instead, she focuses on keeping these high-traffic areas presentable. This simple approach creates an immediate sense of order and reduces cleaning-related stress. This habit is powerful because it maintains the appearance of cleanliness without requiring excessive effort. Even if other areas of the home aren't perfect, such as an unmade bed or laundry waiting to be folded, the home still feels put together. Focusing on essential spaces keeps the cleaning process manageable and ensures a low-stress environment. If you already do this or plan to try it, share your thoughts in the comments below. The secret to an effortlessly clean home isn't spending hours deep cleaning each week. It's embracing daily maintenance. Those who manage to keep their homes in great shape don't wait until the weekend to do an overwhelming cleaning session. Instead, they rely on small, consistent actions that prevent messes from piling up. Keeping a home clean doesn't have to be an overwhelming task. With a few simple habits incorporated into daily routines, maintaining a tidy and inviting space can become second nature. The key is consistency and small efforts that prevent clutter and mess from piling up. One of the best ways to ensure a home remains clean is by tackling small tasks as they arise, instead of letting them accumulate. Rather than waiting for a mess to grow out of control, a quick wipe of the kitchen counter after cooking, folding laundry as soon as it's dry, or sweeping the floor for a few minutes each day can make a remarkable difference. These simple habits keep things manageable and prevent the need for long, exhausting, deep cleaning sessions. Take Jane, for example. She's 68 and has found that just dedicating 15 minutes each evening to tidying up her home is enough to keep it looking fresh and organized. After dinner, she puts away the dishes, fluffs the cushions in her living room, and gives the floors a quick sweep. This small daily effort ensures that she never has to set aside an entire weekend for deep cleaning because her space never gets out of control in the first place. Another effective approach is involving everyone in the household. Keeping a home clean isn't just one person's responsibility, it's a team effort. Seniors who maintain a tidy home often don't do it all alone. They encourage others in their home to contribute. Whether it's a spouse, children, or even visiting friends, sharing the responsibility makes it much easier to maintain an orderly space. Imagine George, a 75-year-old who lives with his wife and grown children. Each night, they all spend just 10 minutes putting away items, wiping down surfaces, and ensuring the common areas remain neat. This simple shared routine not only keeps their home looking great, but also strengthens their sense of teamwork and family connection. When everyone plays a role in maintaining a clean space, it's no longer a burdensome chore. It becomes a natural part of daily living that benefits everyone. The real secret to a consistently clean home isn't spending hours scrubbing. It's about establishing small yet effective habits that prevent disorder from taking over, taking a moment to return things to their rightful places, embracing quick 2-minute tasks, resetting spaces before bedtime, and sharing the responsibility with others are the little changes that make a huge impact. When these habits are integrated into daily life, keeping a tidy home feels effortless. Beyond just cleanliness, these habits contribute to a sense of peace and control. A well-kept home provides comfort and ease, making daily living more enjoyable and stress-free. It's not about achieving perfection. It's about creating a space where you feel relaxed and at ease, surrounded by order and harmony. If any of these habits resonate with you, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know in the comments which one you already practice or which one you're planning to start today. Your engagement inspires me to keep creating content that supports and uplifts you on this journey. Thank you for spending your time with us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. It truly helps us continue providing content that informs and motivates. I appreciate your support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Let's continue building a happier, more organized life together.